Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimmy Poo. Today we are about to do some eyeshadows and I'm going to use the Jackie Aina palette. Now guys, this is just going to be really quick and really simple, a fun look that's great for fall. And I'm going to prep my eyes and I'm using concealer and a translucent powder. Alright guys, now that I've prepped my eyes and after I use the translucent powder, I'm going to go in with the color Ginger, and I'm going to use this all over the eyelid. Now I'm going to go in with the color Edges, and I'm going to take that color and go on the edges of my eyes. I'm going to do the inner edge and also the outer edge of my eyes with this gorgeous orangey color. And guys, I think these are like really great fall colors, but I can also see different colors like spring and summer colors as well, so it's a very like good palette. Now I'm using the color Wigglies, and this is like this cranberry color, which again is a good fall color and also holiday color, guys, because it has a little bit of sparkle in it, which I find to be really cute. Alright, so now I'm going into the color Credit. This is a pretty dark brown color, and I'm going to use this on the edges of my eyes, and I'm just patting it in with the sweeping motion towards the center of my eye. I'm going to smoke all of this out later, so I'm just basically packing that color on. Now I'm going to go in with Soleil with the inner corner highlight. And also, I'm going to go ahead and highlight those eyebrows. Now, just to darken it up, I'm going to use a pencil, and this is a dark black pencil. Alright, now I'm just kind of smudging and blending all of those colors in together and cleaning up my eyebrows a bit. Alright, so I'm finishing up this eye look with some mascara, and I'm not going to use any falsies at this time. And this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. it was very fun and something easy to come back to after being away for so long. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe.